Hello guys. So you have a camera, probably a mirrorless camera. You bought it brand new and you felt like you have to stick with the lens that came with it because there is no other way. You feel like you have to start buying expensive lens. Now you're already a Canon user. You have Canon lenses, but you buy a mirrorless camera like the Lumix or the M50 and all. You started using the lens that came with it. There is no way for you to get more lens because right now the market, no way to buy anything at all. I come bearing good news because right now I'm going to tell you something that you can use that will make you use, that will allow you to use many other lenses. So this is a product I got from my vendor. They used to call it V-Prop. It's a lens adapter. Now, the lens adapter, they have the ones for Canon and they have the ones for Lumix cameras. There are other brands too. Once you buy I've had somebody say when you're using a Nikon camera, there's an adapter that you apply that you can use a Canon lens. Yeah, but I won't do that. I will just stick to what I have. I've been using Canon camera for long, so I have Canon lenses. So instead of me going to buy mirrorless camera lenses now for my M50, I had to order for a V-Thrust. Now, this lens has the one for full frame. This adapter, has the one for full frame and it has the one for crop sensor cameras. Now, the ones for full frame, if you buy it, the disadvantage is that you cannot use a crop sensor lenses. You have to keep using only full frame lenses. Like my 50mm will work, my 85mm will work, but there are some lenses that will not work. Now, how would you know a full frame lens and a crop sensor lens? That I'm not going to be doing on this video, but there is a dot here. There is a dot on this V-Thrust. That dot is showing red. Any camera that you see that is showing red, that means this should work. Let me see if this Lumix has the red button. Yes, the Lumix has red. So the V-Thrust for red, for the V-Thrust adapter for a Lumix camera will work for full frame. This is also for full frame lenses. So it will be nice if you get it. Now the one for full frame lenses will help you crop. The amount of crop you get from a crop sensor will reduce and you'll be able to still shoot something nice in a close range. So I advise you to go get it. If you just tell your vendor, whosoever you're buying your equipment from, tell the person you want to buy an adapter for your camera and you're using maybe a mirrorless camera. So tell him the exact camera because every camera brand has the adapter made for them. So you want to buy the one that has to do with your brand. So if this video was helpful, make sure you follow, like, subscribe. See you on another video.